Hi, welcome to another edition of What's in the Box. My name is Matt. I'm the owner of Capell Flooring and Interiors. So what we do is we open up samples as we get them. Sometimes we get a lot at the same time. Sometimes we don't get them for a while. So anyway, this one's from Dixie Home for DH Floors. And we have been receiving a few of these lately, so I bet you this is part of the same line. Let's see what So, this one is from Dixie or DH Floors. It's called Connection. So, it's kind of a pretty blue, kind of a monochromatic look with different blues. Anyway, so this one's called Connection. It's part of their Durasilk solution dyed polyester. I think we've mentioned it quite a bit, but we really like solution dyed polyester because it's very, very stain resistant. This one, the pattern's random, so when you seam it, you just gotta be careful and try to line things up the best you can. So this one's pretty soft. So if looking at this, Connection has kind of a outdoor theme as some of these other ones, but yeah, these are all pretty colors. One of the other ones that recently opened up, I think had these same colors, but this is kind of this is still what you'd call LCL loop cut loop, but this is kind of a little bit more pulled down. It's not as thick height-wise, but that doesn't mean carpets like this tend to wear really well. They do well on stairs and things like that. So I'm trying to think. Let's take a look at the big one again. So yeah, that's pretty. I mean, it's kind of, really is kind of a random pattern if you look at it. It's not really distinct, so you wouldn't have a pattern match when seaming it together. It's good to remember though, lower profile carpet has less fibers, and so you're more apt to see a seam when you put two together. So that's just something to keep in mind. That's why a lot of times you'll see these like in an office or areas where you're not doing a lot of seams in hallways and things, because you can put those in without a seam. So yeah, this looks nice. I think this will go with other, I don't know, 3 or 4 that I've opened up recently from DH Floors. So if you have any questions, you're in the market for carpet, we love doing carpet here at Capell Flooring. So we would love to see you at our store in Meridian, Idaho. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out, and we would love to help you with your next project.